find answers continue. Now, the Judicial Service Commission has granted Chief Registrar of the Judiciary, Gladys Shollei, her wish for a public hearing. The JSC received Shollei's written response and will now hear her case in 2 weeks. Samogina has the details.
After 2-day deliberations on the Chief Registrar's written responses to allegations of office malpractices, the Judicial Service Commission has now granted the Chief Registrar an opportunity to defend herself publicly. A statement from the JSC reads, "The Judicial Service Commission has deliberated on the Chief Registrar of the Judiciary's response to the allegations of impropriety leveled against her, touching on but not limited to the process of procurement, employment, administration, finance and corporate governance, and has acceded to her request for an oral hearing." The hearing will therefore take place at the Chief Justice's boardroom at the Supreme Court on the 16th of October 2013. Shollei is expected to appear before the JSC chaired by the Chief Justice at 10. Shollei had requested a public hearing before the Judicial Service Commission. The Chief Registrar faces accusation of financial, human resource and procurement impropriety. But in her written response, Shollei denied any role in the 1.2 billion shillings loss in the judiciary. On allegations of unprocedural procurement on acquiring the lease for the Elgon Place for the Court of Appeal, the Chief Registrar holds the deal was above board despite the lease not having been registered. But Shollei holds that notwithstanding, there was no inconsistency in the acquisition. Equally, the Chief Registrar has denied any wrongdoing in obtaining a 3.5 million shillings 8-month salary advance. This, she argued, was provided for in the law and was not unprocedural. The JSC had suspended Shollei over the allegations a month ago before reinstating her after an out-of-court settlement, giving her 21 days to respond to the claims of abuse of office leveled against her. Despite applying for an extension of the period to file her responses, the JSC rejected the application, and Shollei will now appear before the JSC in person to defend her actions as documented in the responses. Samogina, KTN, Nairobi.